G'day guys, we're back here on our Moffat Beach project, and seriously I am in love with this home. It feels like we're building a piece of artwork. So from the last update we gave you, we've really had some progress. Flooring's been finished now, we've done an internal feature wall. We've actually had the guys from Polished Concrete Floors Australia on site, and we've done a concrete honing downstairs and it looks a smicko. The guys are still continuing on the cladding on the outside. The detail in this project, I know I keep banging on about it, but it's awesome. Like standing back now and looking at the outside of this house is just unbelievable. So I'm really pumped. We've actually been inside as well. We've installed the internal doors. So the internal doors have all been made by Duce again. So beautiful timber, jambs, solid timber doors. And it's just such an awesome house. Like to have a home that is all timber, it's just showing the craftsmanship of not only our own team, but our contractors and the incredible group of suppliers that we've managed to build up over the last 10-15 years and build incredible relationships with. And it's really showing in this product because it's amazing. I can't wait to give you a final video at the end of this project, and just having a site meeting here this morning with the clients and just seeing how excited they are and how much they're loving this home and the process. I can just envision them sitting out the front of this home, having a Corona, looking out over the ocean. It's going to be sensational.